Hey everybody, how's it going? I'm Steven. I'm out here again with Francisco Overland with our Escapod Topo2 Voyager trailer. I'm going to be running through a quick tutorial on how to deploy and package back up our Rome 8-foot awnings that we include with our trailers. So first things first, you just grab your zippers, run your zippers down, open up the awning cover. Once open, you'll notice the Velcro strapping that's keeping the awning secure up against its back plate. Pull the strapping, loosen that up, and drop your awning down. One person can do this very easily. So when you're done, you get to this point and you see the awning legs. Allow the awning legs to drop. You loosen them up by rotating them. And what I do when I'm by myself, I tip them in to give a little bit of that leverage so that it keeps the awning out. Come up underneath of the awning, you'll swing out each of these arms. Again, you rotate the arms, pull the awning up, slide this into place, pull it out as far as you can, come back to the pivot point, rotate to lock in place. There's one. Grab your other one, pull it out. Again, you'll rotate to loosen, slide it all the way out, put it in the proper holes, and there you go. And now you've seen how one person can deploy these awnings very easily. Now there are some Velcro straps underneath that you may, based on wind conditions, you may or may not want to attach. They're very easy, they just keep the flap from flapping around, but for the sake of time, I'm not gonna go through and attach all of those. I just wanna do a quick demonstration on how it all works. These are your guy lines, so if it is windy, you'll pound a stake into the ground, you pull your loop out, loop around your stake, and that's gonna keep it pretty secure. So when we're done, I like to slide these guys all the way up to the top, keep our lines nice and short. Makes it easy to package back up when that time comes. So when you're done with the awning, again, one person. Twist the pull, slide it in, tilt that back to give you that leverage to keep it from closing up on you. Rotate to unlock, slide in, rotate to lock, tilt back, give you that leverage. These all slide back into their appropriate places. Come back out here, twist, drop, twist, drop, pull in your legs, face the bar up. Legs have these little square things on them that fit right into that channel. For your guy lines, just stretch them across this bar, tucking them in as appropriate. Grab it all and just start to roll. Some people roll them the other way. I think it's much more efficient to roll them forward like this. Then that way you're not sitting there arguing with the guy lines. If you have two people, it is a lot easier to roll from underneath rather than from on top like I did. Always remember, grab your straps, run them through, tighten them up. Attach your Velcro, drop your cover, and re-zip to secure it. Now some people put their zippers in a lot of different spots. So some people will keep it in the center, some people keep it in the forward. I like to keep both zippers in the rear position. And that way, if any water does get in this cover during travel, it's always gonna drain out the back of the trailer because that's the force of the momentum while you're under tow. So again, I'm Steven with San Francisco Overland. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial on how one person can very quickly deploy and repackage an 8-foot awning. We'll see you in the next video, or we'll see you out in the wilderness. Until then, take care.